Good evening, everyone. I'm Durgesh Brahmbhatt from Ultimate Class Ashtam. Today, I want to discuss about life because somebody thinks about life. Life is untouchable. Life is endless. Life, we have to learn so many things. We have to do something different in our life. If I talk about my life, so my life from started a very small village. My village name is Bajnan. I was born in a nuclear family. As I born, I grew up. I started growing up. Then I thought myself that what should I do? I started walking little bit. Sometimes ups and downs, hustle and bushers. I used to see anywhere. Also, I used to think that I have to do something different in my life. And that was not my dream. I went in dilemma. I never talk about my dilemma. Why did I go in dilemma? How much problems did I face? I thought that I have to change myself. Because that time my life was going on in a trouble, in a fix. The dark cloud was loomed. I was not able to describe all these things. I was not able to give respond that time. Then the colonial, if we called about it colonial, things was going on. I was in a big trouble. When I turned 12 years, the age of 12 years, that the any problems that started coming in my life, I went and some things I can't explain in my words. Throughout the day, throughout the years, I thought that I have to do something different. But we brought the life, we used to play cricket, went to school. My school life also was very good, tremendous atmosphere was very good. And if I talk about family life, I used to enjoy it with my family members and talk together, live together. Bondage was going on. We were looking like a good person, and every time I kept on thinking about myself that I would do something different. After that, after my school came ninth class, after that, my journey was very good. And if I talk about tremendous because in fifth class I had not known about the spelling of onion. My teacher told me that you will not be able to succeed in your life. Then I came sixth class. I was not be able to read English book. My flap on my cheek, and also I felt frustrated. I became a monitor of the class, but I was only talking about the girls. One girls complained to me and then slapped me, said, "You have no right to say the girls." I was going on the critical condition. Nobody was considering me, pursued me, not knowing me, no, who is he. Only I was a good person that time, but I was not learning anything else. I had no knowledge about all these things. My friends, they were doing good, look good. Every time they kept on reading, they were very smart than me. They have too much idea, too much fraternity, that lots of things. But my life went again and again the trouble. I never thought about it. I came in ninth class, also I faced lots of problem here. I became a monitor of ninth class, but also I have no quality of to how to deliver topic all this thing. I had no any idea what to do. I had no knowledge about English. I got a marks 700 of 75 in English. My sir asked me put it on the board. I said I don't know. The written on the board was I am going. I was not able to speak all these things, and I felt bad. But I had good bondage. My friends, they were well bonded me. Also, teacher was considering me, pursuing me. I was trying to convince. I was making them chemistry with them because I was interested in doing something different. I was dedicated. I was enthusiastic. I had a lot of things that I had to do something different in my life. I came in Ashta. My dream was to become a doctor. I wanted to do something different for my family members. Whenever my mother and my family members, anybody else, if they got disease or anything else, headache, pain, suffering, stomach, all these things, then I used to help take a ice upload and went to temple. Every time kept on chanting a mantra, all these things, serving my all entire things to go Lord, and every time chanting all this thing, doing for my family members. I had emotional things about my parents, because whatever I was doing, because of my parents, because they taught me how to write all these things. I also did many bad things, all these things, but I was not doing what was making me do all these things, but I don't want to talk about it. Then I came in college life. I thought that what's my dream. I had not known about it. My father was not. My family members were not able to send me other side or anywhere, and the financial condition was very bad in my homes. Nobody was giving to all these things. If I talk about my village, I every time used to fight with my in village life. I was to fight. I was fighting to my friends, and then every time I had not good chemistry with them, they will not well wanted me, not me, and fought many friends, and sometimes bad them, they bad me. When I used to go to my Chakki Dharmen Patidar, also he said to me, study, if you study, you will become whatever you want to become. I used to go to work like a labor, like a cutting onion and heap garlic, all these things. Every time everybody taunting me, they were saying to me that you are not a good person, you are coming here, you don't know how to do it. Somebody asked me a question that you are in second year, first year, 10th year, you don't know how to do this. They were every time talking about me. I was not able to be here because I was thinking that I have to do something different in my life. I used to think that what should I do. Every time I was crying, I kept on thinking about myself. I went on blaming myself, but to some extent I told myself that no, I have to do something different in my life. I have to change my life. For a while I forget all these things. I used to, when I was in 10th class, I used to get up in the morning at 4 o'clock. Today I was going to save the bicycle. After that I was thinking about myself that if I will go, it will take me 10 and 1 hours to go to village Pejnan. That's why I used to study in temple, and I was resting there side. Then after completing my work, I came to my village. I used to come my village. After that, every process was going on. I thought that I have to go to marks more than my friends, all these things. My dream was to got a laptop and all these things, because I saw in my village one girl who was a very good person. She was a person of words. She got a laptop and money from the Khadi school. I learned so many things to her. I wanted to do something different like she did. After that, I came Ashta. I had no knowledge. My friend met to me. He suggested me to go to other side, another coaching. He said to me, come to Ultimate. I came to Ultimate with him, and I worked hard here. And I learned so many things, whatever I wanted to. Also, until midnight, I used to ask questions my sirs. I was dedicated, enthusiastic. I had the courage of doing something different in my life, because I was crazy about learning English, because I had not known about it. I was an interested person to do something different in my life, because I was thinking that I have to do this, if I have to make my image, all these things. Only one day I completed in Ultimate, then my sir asked me that please tell about this spoken, what's the meaning of spoken. I said that I completed only 1 day, because I had completed 1 month. I said to me, you don't know what's the meaning of spoken, and in the time everybody will ask you a question, what will you give answer? That day I learned the lesson that I will everywhere, if I go everywhere, so I will write on my hand, on my diary, anywhere. I will learn a lot of words. I learned, used to listen English video, used to read meanings, so whatever I used to ask my sir, and try to understand what is going on, what do I have to become. Every time I was crazy about doing something different. My college life was going on very bad, because I was not able to study. My friend used to beat me. He used to say to me that you will fail in college life. Like every time I used to read verb chart, like in my bathroom, in my late bath, in my room, anywhere. If I used to go, if I was doing something different, and I thought myself that if today, if I do today is a golden chance for me, golden era. If I couldn't do today, in the coming time, I will not be able to do it. Then I thought that definitely I can do it. Then I did. After that, I came in a college life. After that, I worked hard here in ultimate 2 years. I self-study. After that, I learned so many video, and I watched thousands of video, made hundred thousands of sentences, 1 lakh sentences. After my son knew about me, then he gave me reports in ultimate in front of audience and my friends. They were thinking about me. Then he said to me, you are a teacher of this ultimate. Then that day I took a marker on my hand, I started teaching. After that, I said to sir, without your permission I will not sit in this on this chair. After, if I become a good teacher, after 6 months I will teach. And I became a good teacher and I started teaching little bit. Then my sir taught me a good lesson. I learned so many things from to him, and today here I am teaching. When I was in first year, to my one friend met to me, he said to me, I need an English teacher, can you teach my school? I said yes, so why not, I can teach your school. At that time I did not have any good clothes to wear, all this thing, to eat something, and my health was down and I was lean and thin. I was not able to eat properly because every time I kept on thinking that I have to do something different for my family members. Every time I often say to that, do something different, like world wants you, like means a lot of things I had to do for my family members. I never thought that I will become a teacher, all these things. I went with my brother and I wore his dress, and then I went there. I thought as he caught down from the bike, so someone came and said to him. After that, he thought that he is a teacher, but I was thinking that I was a teacher, but he did not think. He said to me, he is a teacher. He asked my qualification. I was worried about what is my qualification, occupation, all these things. My friend, my brother, he helped him in trouble, all these things. If he wouldn't help him, he wouldn't go with me, then I wouldn't be today here. He helped him in a bad trouble, all these things. After that, I got a ceremonial school. I started teaching that side. I was motivating, doing something different, but I was not perfect in teaching English. I was going to be a perfect in English spoken. Then I left the school in 6 months. I fought with sir. I had not good chemistry. Chemistry was not going on good as these things. I left the school. I bothered him also. He scolded me, scolded, all these things happened with me. After that, my sir told me that if you want to join, you can join my school. I came in this Adarshana school. After that, I worked hard in this Adarshana school. I made students speak English, and I used to make them speak frankly, make activities, taught a good lesson, learn all these things, discipline, consistency, hard work, time management, money management, public speaking, lot of things I taught. I was a very good. I became a good person in that time, and then I learned so many things in school. Now today I am here. My vision to do something different in my life, to become a good person and help the poor, like a Bhimrao Ambedkar, like a Abdul Kalam, like other person, like a Swami Vivekananda, like a Albert Einstein, like a Mahendra Singh Dhoni. I want to do something different in my life so that people could learn to me, they could come to meet me. I want to learn those things that which nobody has. I want to be a person of words. I want to be a calm, cool, and no, I don't want to worry about all these things. Don't want to abuse, quarrel, and backbite about other people. So I want to be in there. My family members should be happy and proud of feeling me that my son got a degree, got a good marks. He became whatever he wanted to become. I want to make them proud, make them feel good, happy, and I want to see happiness on their face. That's why I'm here. That's why I'm doing something different in my life. Guys, if you have to do something different in your life, you will have to do. Because somebody said that education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world, and you will have to change in every time. APJ Abdul Kalam said that if you do something different, you will change the world. And Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar also said that be educated, be organized, and be agitated. That's all. Thank you very much. I'm Durgesh Bhambat from Ultimate Class Asta. Often I say do something different. Like often I say do something different. world wants to do like you. I am RJ Durgesh from Ultimate Class Asta. That's all. Thank you very much for watching my video and subscribe my channels YouTube Ultimate Spoken English Classes Asta. Join us for learning English. Whatever you want to learn, you can learn. Ultimate Spoken is going on. Also, Ultimate Spoken, if we talk about since 2009 till today, thousands of students learned English here. If you want to learn, you can learn. I'm Durgesh Brahmbhatt from Ultimate Class Asta. I want to say to you, do something different that world wants like you. I'm RJ Durgesh from Ultimate Class Asta.